Error in astype float32 versus float64 for integer. I'm sure this is due to a lapse in my understanding in how casting between different precision of float works, but can someone explain why the value is getting cast as 3 less than its true value in 32 versus 64-bit representation?
A 32-bit float can exactly represent about 7 decimal digits of mantissa. Your number requires more, and therefore cannot be represented exactly. The mechanics of what happens are as follows. A 32-bit float has a 24-bit mantissa. Your number requires 27 bits to be represented exactly, so the last 3 bits are getting truncated, set to 0. The 3 lowest bits of your number are 0112. These are getting set to 0002. Observe that 0112 is 310.
A float32 only has 24 bits of significant precision, which is roughly 7 digits, log 10 to 24 equals 7.22. You're expecting it to store an 8-digit number exactly, which in general is impossible.